Hi, 6th grade. Miss Larson here. Just wanted to check in with you on a couple of things. Hope you've been having a good spring break and that you're still getting outside and being active. I just went for a walk. It's a nice sunny day out, finally getting nice out, so that's pretty good. I wanted to check in with you. A couple of people have had questions about logging in and what is their username and password. Am I on the right screen? So I just want to show you a couple of things here. So this is your Google Classroom page, and this is where you'll find all of your assignments and classwork. So here you'll see any announcements that I've made. Then you can click on classwork to see what's coming up due. All work will be due at midnight on the due date. Okay, then you can check out people in your class, and it's just loading up here. You can check your grades. Okay, so mine looks a little bit different than yours, but it's basically the same thing. Here's our class code. If you need any help with this, definitely feel free to email me. Then for Think Central, what you're going to do is just go to thinkcentral.com. You'll enter in this information and your username. Okay, then you're going to log in, and it'll make you set a password. Once you've set your password, you should be able to access the student dashboard. Oh, that's not the right one. Okay, you should be able to access your student dashboard. This is the help screen, and if you can't figure something out on that main login page, you can go right here to the help screen. And it gives you lots of good information, how to log in. Like here you see, yes, I was able to log in, or no, I wasn't. You have to create a new password. You can also go see Think Central Student Online Help. Okay. And then I want to just find a way for you to look at your screen. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you log in. It'll have any assignments that I've assigned through Think Central for you. Your scores will mostly be in Google Classroom. That's where you're going to have your main grade that you can check. And then you'll have any assignments that I'm assigning you Viking Longships. And I'm almost sure that will be in My Library, but here it'll tell you that I want you to do that, and then you'll go to My Library. Okay, and you can see all of that here. Okay, so if you do have any questions, definitely send me an email. All of you should have received your email and password. We've sent those all to your parents. And then I emailed you your login for Think Central. So if you do have any questions, definitely get a hold of me. But otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your spring break, and we will get to work on Monday.